Hey, what's up? It's always me, Johnny, and welcome to my new video. As you already see, this is an unboxing video. It's been a long time since one of these, but I hope you will enjoy this unboxing. You probably already read the title of this video, so you know exactly what's inside this box, but we are gonna see how it is anyway. So as you can see, the box is really small. We probably know already what's inside. I mean exactly what's inside and what it is not inside, unfortunately, but we are gonna check it anyway. And yes, I mean the charger. Yes, this is what I mean. And you can see right on what's inside the box. I mean, you already knew before, but enjoy your new Samsung, your new Galaxy, I mean, by Samsung. And this is scan for support, but I hope we are not gonna need that. And I like the box because inside it's all black and I like it actually. So this is my receipt, so you don't need to see that actually. And that's the phone. So as I was saying before, actually in the box there is no charger, because here where I live in Italy, if you order the phone from the official store, so Samsung, you don't get the charger. But if you order the phone from Amazon, actually you can get the charger. So this is a little bit unfortunate, but yeah, we will take it anyway. So as you can see, Galaxy S22 Ultra is written right here. I'm gonna show you a little better the box. It is pretty small actually, because there is no charger inside, as we already know. We have some specs here, and I can already tell you that this is the 128 gigabytes model with 8 gigabytes of RAM, because I mean I didn't need any more than this. I mean 12 gigabytes of RAM, it's a little bit of waste in my opinion. And as you can see from the box, there is a green S in the front, and also there is a green writing here on the side. So that's a sign that this S22 Ultra, it is actually green. So I didn't see anywhere the green model, and also the most of the video that you can see on YouTube are just white, black, or maybe the burgundy color, the purple one. And I didn't see much of this green tint. And actually I kind of liked it. So I just decided to order this one. And let's see how it is in person, we can say. So this is the inside of the box. So you can find the phone in the first place, so we can take a look at this after. And first we're gonna see what's inside the box. I think there's pretty much nothing, so let's see. I think this is some paperwork right here, if I can just pull it out. Yes, I think that's it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So there's some paper here with the cable inside. So there is only the cable, so it's USB-C to USB-C, and the SIM tool right here. So let's take this out of the way and let's take a look to this phone finally. So you can see already that it is a little bit green on the side, and that's the back. We're gonna peel this. And that's pretty much it. I mean, I don't know if you can see it very well from the camera, but it is very green with a little blue tint, I think, especially on the side, because here it's like glossy, so it's not matte as in the back. And so it is a little bit more blue than green, but I really like this color actually. It is a little bit more interesting than the standard colors, so black and white. And also I think it's a little bit, I mean I like it a little bit more than the purple color. So let's power this on. There is already some dust on the phone, and I've seen many people complaining about the dust around the camera module. I think we are gonna see that too, because I see some dust particles around the camera already. That's a real bummer. Anyway, that's the phone. So you can see that it's flickering because of the adaptive refresh rate. So this is 120 Hz, and I'm gonna configure that later. And you can see also that here on the USB-C and the antenna band are just green. They are not gray like most of the phone, or maybe black, just black. And we're gonna take a look also to the S Pen right here. So you click it and you can just pop it off. I thought it was easier to just bring out the S Pen, but it is doing some resistance actually. So if you just click it by accident, I don't think it will come off from your phone because it's pretty strong actually. And also around the pen, it's like some rubbery finish, so it's not gonna fall off. And also it is vibrating while you're taking off the pen from the phone. So I don't know if you can see it, but the top of the pen, it is green also. Anyway, for this unboxing, that's pretty much it. I mean, it is pretty long too. I'm gonna set up this phone right now, and I hope you liked this video, especially because I showed you this green color that it is a little bit rare in the YouTube world. And so I hope you liked it, and if that is the case, just leave a like down below because it's free. And also, I think I will see you in my review of this S22 Ultra, and why not the camera test and all of the other videos, because I have a lot of ideas for this S22 Ultra. So stay tuned and subscribe down below if you haven't already, because you will see a lot of interesting video on this channel. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye for now.